Welcome back to Fish Hook. Tonight we are going out to Clearwater Beach, and we have a restaurant that we've been to before, but we wanted to actually take you guys there with us this time, and it's called Frenchy'S. They had a ton of cool dishes. They were fantastic.
Outrageous.
So
yes.
Anyway, we want to show you some of the meals. We will be there shortly. We're just on our way down there, hitting a little traffic in Clearwater, but the water looks gorgeous tonight, and let's go. It's kind of dark.
Well, guys, we're inside Frenchy'S Saltwater. This is Frenchy'S Saltwater Cafe. Like I said before, driving down here, he's got a bunch of different names. He's got, I think it's about 6 different locations. So we found this little jewel hidden off the main drag of downtown Clearwater. We're 2 blocks off the Clearwater Beach. I think you guys are familiar with this. They got barcodes now. We had to scan it. So this is their menu. And when we've eaten here once before, we were so impressed. We want to bring you guys along. So we're going to do a bunch of different appetizers tonight so we can get a taste of what they have to offer. This is really a lot of fun to be here. You can sit outdoors. You can sit inside. Here they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 booths and only 2 or 3 tables and a little bar area. And then you can sit outside in the L-shaped. It's pretty nice. It really is fun night out. So we're ordering, what do we tell the girls? Conch fritters. Oh, and grouper egg rolls. So conch fritters are excellent. And the grouper egg rolls, they're house-made egg rolls stuffed with fresh Cajun grouper, corn, black beans, cilantro, red pepper, onion, jack cheese, and a side of tropical jalapeno dipping sauce. So we know it's going to be good. And I told the waitress we're going to order probably a whole bunch of different appetizers. I don't want to get them all at one time, it gets cold. We're going to order as we go, so keep things fresh coming along. Do you want to tell anybody anything?
I wanted to point out that appetizer in here.
Alright guys, check it out. Grouper egg rolls. Oh man, I've never had these before. A lot of good ingredients, and honey, we got, what we got here?
Conch fritters.
Conch fritters, check it out. Yes sir, these are excellent.
Those conch fritters are going to blow you away.
I know.
I don't even know how that.
Don't be.
Alright guys, let's
Tell them what you just said about it blowing you away.
Yeah, the waiter was just there and he's warned us that these conch fritters are going to blow us away. So I want to be blown away. Let's see, honey. You're going to go first. I love doing appetizers. That's the only way to test out places. Are you blown away, honey?
They're awesome.
I love it.
They taste just right.
So good.
You have chunky pieces of conch in there. And then the breading, like a hush puppy. And then the salt is like spicy. It's really good.
Love it. The only thing missing tonight is that you're not here with us. We're having a blast. This is really tasty. And the prices, really, to be truthful with you, they're not outrageous. You're going to pay a little bit more than you normally would because it's a specialty, it's a tourist trap. But these aren't bad. $7.95, that's not bad for conch fritters. I like this dressing.
All right. You mind if I try
Are you going to dip that first?
egg rolls? Has anybody ever had a grouper egg roll? It's my first time, and I've lived in Florida all my life. So here we go. Wow.
Are they really that good? Alright, let me finish this
This sauce is outrageous. It's a mango mixture. Mango puree.
It's got jalapeno in there too.
You don't taste it, but
Really?
the mango's sweet. Mango goes really good with a lot of your seafood dishes.
Well,
This is fantastic with the mango sauce.
she's not gonna have all the fun. Check that out. Look at that. This thing is loose. Look at everything. Corn. I don't know what the green thing is, but black beans. Oh yeah, red pepper. Oh yeah. Real good, huh? I never had grouper egg rolls either.
First time. I haven't actually got a piece of grouper yet.
Yeah, I did.
You did?
Oh,
And
yeah,
maybe
really nice.
it's cut up really small. You like the sauce?
It's, look at it, it's like a green, like a salsa verde in Spanish. This, what a nice flavor it takes. It changes the whole thing of the egg roll.
Yeah. I'm so glad I'm a part of this show. I get to eat these wonderful meals.
You guys, you know, this is how you do it. All right.
Fantastic. Really, really cool.
Excellent.
I would definitely come back for these.
Yeah, well, you know, I've been coming to Florida now for I don't know how many years now, back and forth. And I've never seen this particular Frenchy'S restaurant. We've been to some of his other places, they're dives. This is, on the outside, it looks almost like a dive. It's on a back street, but it's packed with people. From single people to families. It's really nice. Do you like it here? It's good. So we're going to keep eating this, and then when we get our next order of appetizers, we'll bring you on board. Well, guys, we did it. 2 more specials, 2 more appetizers. Just to let you know, we don't do this all the time. We would be big as a house. But we got to let our hair down tonight. And we got 2 cool dishes. We got ahi tuna tacos, right, honey?
Nachos.
No, they're nachos. Anyway, blue corn tortilla chips loaded with ahi tuna eel sauce, which is real good. Some goujang sauce, I don't know what that is. Avocado puree, cool. Pico de gallo, green onions, and fresh mangoes.
Now,
Fresh mangoes.
those are some different nachos.
Yeah, those are going to be different.
Ahi
Yeah.
tuna nachos. I've never had those either.
And he told me they're really over the top, but
Those are cool.
he talked us into it. We were going to order alligator tail. I love alligator. But he said their garlic crab fries are outrageous. Let me tell you how they make these. They're beer battered fries tossed in garlic butter and parsley topped with garlic. Thank you. Aioli, base seasoning, and then he says they're dipped in snow crab. So they're all covered in crab. Buddy, that's right up our alley, right, honey? I know she lit up when she heard that. So we're waiting on that, and we're having a great time. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. These are the most colorful appetizers. No joke. Check this out. What I told you, all shredded crab on top of these beer batter fries. I've never heard of that. It's a half order. Told you we should order a full order. Look at this. Look how pretty this looks. Ahi tuna nachos.
Let me show them the tuna.
Oh, we got nice chunks of tuna. Nice, delicious. Oh yeah. Well, guys, honey, that obviously met your approval.
Different.
Let me know what you think.
Some mango.
Are we cooking on the front burner here? As they say, give me a piece of this. Here we go. Never had anything like this.
This is great. Is there anything else we can do? Hey, enjoy.
Awesome.
juice, so much fruit. These are tasty. And the blue corn chips are much better. Agree? Man, I'm telling you, look at this. Nice chunks of raw tuna. Come on, this is sushi, baby. This is the way to eat it. Very tasty. Well, honey, let's taste. Tell me what you think.
These are our crabby fries.
Is it different or what?
Crab with that.
Look at that, guys. Nice crab.
Really cool concept.
Oh,
I'm not a big fan though. You said there was Old Bay on this.
She doesn't like Old Bay. I love it.
I don't like the Old Bay flavor, but it is a really cool concept of that drizzle. What was it? An garlic drizzle?
Yeah, garlic aioli.
Very cool. I'll probably still eat it though.
Oh, it's good. Very, very good. Before, let me say this, on the grouper nugget, egg rolls, if you order them, you won't be getting chunks of grouper. We asked them about it, and they finally slice the grouper in there to get with all those mixtures to get it full, so they don't have big chunks. But there is grouper in there, and it was very tasty. Do you like it overall? And of course, Arnold Palmer, unsweet tea and lime. Try it sometimes. You'll really like it. It goes with every dish. So, are we having fun or are we having fun? This is the way to do it, man. Appetizers, they kick. It's so much better than getting stuck with a whole meal. And if you don't like the meal, you're stuck with it. At least with appetizers, you got a chance. You didn't invest a lot of money, and you keep trying dishes, right? All right. Well, guys, as you can hear it, it's noisy in here. But we stuffed ourselves. The ahi tuna tacos. I never had that before, and I never expected it to be so tasty. Nice, big, 3/4-inch chunks of sushi-grade tuna. It was delicious. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, that was definitely a cool thing that I've never tried before. I love it. Frenchy'S Saltwater Cafe, Clearwater Beach, Florida. You guys have got to come here.
Try this.
When you come to Florida, come on out to Clearwater Beach and try this cafe.
Remember, there's all different Frenchy'S. I'll try to put the address on the links below so you know which one. We've hit the end of the road. 4 appetizers. Could have never did it myself. Thank God you were here, honey. But everything was good. I was satisfied. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give it for everything overall between an 8 and a 9. Service was a 10, no doubt. They were on top of it. They took care of us, and it's a great experience. There's a family that just came in 2 weeks down from us with their kids. It's a safe environment. You can come here and you won't get freaked out. So it was a blast. How was your take on it?
I love it. I love Frenchy'S Saltwater Cafe. That's Clearwater Beach, Florida. When you come to Florida, you've got to pay this place a visit. Like Charlie said, it's not a 4-star restaurant or anything like that. It's a hole in the wall. But honestly, it's got some different dishes that I think you will really enjoy that you've never had before. Like ahi, tuna, nachos. I mean, it's very different. And then fries with crab on it, very different. I like that. So I would definitely come back. I'll give it a 10.
Right. I'm very satisfied. It's worth coming back again and again, and only to try more appetizers, different ones. I like going about it from that perspective. If you guys are new to the channel and you check this out, part of our channel is doing seafood reviews of dives like this, like I just driving dives. We do the same thing, and we give you real, honest reviews. We're not paid to say what we say. We're not sponsored with. I got a bill here. We're paying for our own meal. Hit the subscribe button. It should be posted above our heads here somewhere. And post a like if you liked it. And any comments, I love them. I answer every comment. And guys, we'll see you on the next review.